In the video today, I want to show you how to transfer all your data, pictures, contacts, videos, everything from your old phone to the new Samsung Galaxy A16. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so the process is really easy to do this. All you'll need is your old phone turned on, powered on, and your new phone powered on as well. On the Samsung A16, we're simply going to swipe down from the top of the screen. In the upper right corner, tap on the settings wheel. From here, we're going to go up to General Management. Right here, swipe up, and at the very bottom, it'll say transfer data for device setup. So once we've gotten to this screen, we're going to hit receive data. And we're transferring from an Android phone. So we're going to select Galaxy Android. Now, if you were trying to switch from an iPhone, you would obviously select iPhone or iPad. Let's tap Galaxy Android. And you have two options. You can do this with a cable or you can do this wireless. Now, the cable method is faster, but the wireless method works just as well. The main thing you need to know is you need to be able to keep the phones together for however long it takes for the transfer to happen. So if you separate the phones, it's going to stop the transfer. So if you're at the store, if you're at a store right now trying to do this, take the phones home and then just watch the rest of the video, because if not, you're going to risk the phone separating. It's going to stop the transfer. Then you have to start over again. So just, follow my instructions there. Okay. On the old phone, you'll want to go to the Play Store and you need to do a search for the Samsung Smart Switch mobile app. Download this app on your phone and then open it up. Now that we have the app installed, on the new phone, I'm going to hit Receive Data, Galaxy, Wireless. And on the old phone, I'm going to select Wireless. And give it a few seconds and the phones are going to find each other. They're basically sending each other a signal to connect to. Tap Accept. So now the A16 is reading all the files on this old phone. And then it's going to see what it can pull over. So it's got 10 gigs of data that it's showing, and it's saying it'll take about 8 minutes to pull all that data. So we're going to hit Next. And now the transfer has started. And it will give you a countdown. Now this countdown is an estimate. So it says 8 minutes, but I've seen it fluctuate higher or lower, so just keep that in mind. One important thing to note, you need to make sure that your phone is charged well. You never want to do this transfer if your phone is below 30%, because what if the phone dies right in the middle of the transfer? That can affect your data. So make sure, grab your charger and plug it in so that you won't have to worry about the phone dying right in the middle of the transfer, okay? Keep the phones together. Don't touch them. Don't do anything. Just let them transfer. And you'll see what it looks like at the end. It'll say transfer is complete, and then you can move on. Okay, so that was a quick snapshot on how to do the process wirelessly. For those of you that want to use the cable, which is the faster method, here's how to do it. Let's go ahead and close out these two apps here, and we're just going to start the whole process over again. So we're going to open up that Samsung Smart Switch app. Okay, swipe down again, go to the settings wheel, swipe up, go to General Management, swipe up, go back to Transfer Data. On the other phone, simply find the Smart Switch app. Okay, so now to use the cable, we're going to hit Receive Data on the A16, hit Galaxy, and then on the old phone, hit Let's Go, hit Cable. So cable on both. Let's plug in our cable from the box. Okay, and just give them a couple of seconds to connect. If you notice that these screens are looping and it seems like the connection hasn't been made, simply disconnect the cables and just put this one on the other side. Here we go. There we go. All right, press OK, hit continue. And now it'll give you the same options. Now, because I started the transfer wirelessly, it just picked up where I left off, but it'll end up giving you the same options on screen. It'll let you select what you want to transfer, and then you'll hit start. Okay, so at this point, let the phone sit, let them go through the process, and when the transfer is complete, this is what you'll see on screen. It'll basically say the transfer is done. You disconnect the cables, and then you can begin to use the phones. All right, hope you got value out of that video. If you did, bump that like button down below. Really quick, I want to show you this really cool fitness tracker by Samsung. It's called the Samsung Fit 3. This is a really inexpensive fitness tracker. It's only about 60 bucks right now. And this will track your steps, your heart rate, your water intake, and it will also track your sleep. So it's a really useful device. I used it for a few months and it really helped to encourage me to just be more active, especially because I was tracking the steps every day. So if you're in the market for some type of fitness tracker to help you be more active, definitely check out this one. I'll link it on screen right here. Again, it's a great price. It links really well with the Samsung A16. And you'll love it. The reviews online have been really great. It's such a great, simple fitness tracker, and encourage you to get one before the price goes up. So I'm going to link here to my playlist that will have more of my A16 videos. And here I'll also link to another really helpful video as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care. And as always, have a good one.